Okay. Good evenings and welcome to Start a Conver. Tonight we have a immense pleasure of speaking with one of the most influential voice of our time, and Austin who have uh, countless international awards and have uh, conquered them with intertie and Gluar. Please, good, warm welcome to Incredible Yesenia.
Thank you so much, Dilber. The honor is all mine.
Yesenia, you look amazing and have you been this plus uh, years, this place year.
It has been a whirlwind honesty. I have traveled more than 20 countries this year and I met wonderful people.
Let's talk about your achievements. Last year, you won album of the year at the Global Music Awards. Do you remember the night you got the award?
Of course, that was a life-changing event. However, my greatest achievement was finishing writing that album. At I did it completely alone.
That is truly admirable. And speaking of major life experiments, have you ever surfed in front of millions people?
Yes, I have. I did it on my 2022 tour. It was in Rio de Janeiro and the energy was electric.
Amazing. And on the other, have you met your idol, the legendary Madonna?
No, I haven't met here. We have talked video call. However, we have never been in the same room. That's a dream I haven't achieved.
Uh, I'm sure you will accomplish that. So now let's talk about your career journey. How long have you been writing songs professionally?
I have been writing professionally since I signed my first record deal for 7 years.
Uh, 7 years, that's a long time. Yesenia, thank you so much for sharing your experience and achievements with us. We hope to do some in Asia and scuba diving in Australia.
Thank you, Dilber. It has been pleasure.